How to get cheap car insurance on Ontario. You are in the right place. Don't forget to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. First, use a comparison site like rates.ca. Drivers there save you over $800 on average just by comparing. Start by entering your postal code. When filling out your details, select only the coverage you actually need. Choose higher deductible and anti-theft features and remove unnecessary option coverages like collision if your car's value is low. The car you drive makes a big difference too. Sedans like Toyota or Honda usually cost less to insure than luxury or sports car. Your location and usage also affect rates. If you live in the high theft area like Brampton or drive less than 10,000 km per year, consider usage based or pay as you go insurance. Shop around and compare rates and don't just pick the cheapest online quote. Call the insurer to see if they can lower the price further. Also, ask about discounts for multi-policy bundling, winter tires, safe driving programs, or even being a university alumni. To recap, compare rates on sites like rates.ca, tweak your coverage, and call providers to negotiate. These simple steps can save you hundreds of dollars, and it only takes a few minutes. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.